Hi everyone and welcome to a new daily watchlist videos. My name is Martijn. I'll be going over the market as usual. So let's kick it off with the euro dollar. The euro dollar, it came back in our old supply. For now it is still a little bit bearish, but keep in mind long term that the euro dollar is still bullish. However, I'm still expecting it to go lower. But what could happen for today is that we're going to take out this zone. We're going to reach like a zone a little bit higher, like take out the liquidity, take out the day trading liquidity basically in here, right? And after that maybe start tanking or even remove the zone and go further. So for now the euro dollar is still highly bullish, and keep that in mind before you start looking for some shorts. Going over to the DXY, and regarding the DXY, it is showing like a similar scenario. So currently we could break these lows, but eventually the DXY could start moving up. However, keep in mind now that we still touched this supply actually. So we have like a higher zone in here. However, we are still inside of this switch zone and we are coming out of there. So for now, it would make sense for me if the DXY starts turning bearish and maybe eventually even visit this old demand again in there. Now going over to AUD-US dollar, and regarding AUD-US dollar, it was very bearish. It broke down. We took our take profit actually a little bit early. Currently it is still breaking up again a little bit. So what we can see is that we had a trend line in here, and that the trend line currently is being broken, or like almost being broken. As you can see in here, like price is currently on top of the trend line, and it would make sense if price just stays a little bit in a range. For now I'm still bearish on AUD-US dollar, but yeah, keep in mind if the DXY starts moving down, then AUD-US dollar can easily start moving up again. Now going over to the NZDUSD dollar, and regarding the NZDUSD dollar, it is still bullish, you know, like it is still in this bullish structure. It is inside of a supply zone, but look at these highs in there. It just would make sense for me if price would take the liquidity from all these highs and then eventually move higher up in supply. Going to GBPUSD dollar. Regarding GBPUSD dollar, it is also still highly bullish. So it came back to our old highs. Right now, it would also make sense for me if prices reach this upper supply zone in there before eventually making a retracement or something. But I'm watching that zone for now. Going to gold. And regarding gold, it is still stuck in the range. So like I said, it will make sense for me if price would be stuck in this range. We are coming out of this demand zone. So it would be possible for price to just swing a little bit, like make another, basically a lower high right in here, like take another swing up, go a little bit to the middle of this range in here, let's say this area in there. Or eventually just break the zone, go a little bit lower, and then make that swing. So those are the two scenarios I'm watching. Either way, we're going to break these small highs in there, these small wicks in here. We're going to break to the upside and visit this area. Or we're just going to break this low and visit that area. Both scenarios I'm watching for it currently. Yeah, we are basically in the lower end of this range. So a swing up would make most sense for me. Going over to the Bitcoin. And regarding the Bitcoin, it is still bullish actually. It is turning a little bit bearish since we came out of this supply zone, but keep in mind that price is stuck in here. So it could easily happen that price starts shooting up from here, take out these highs, take out like the weekend highs, the weekend liquidity, and eventually move even higher. So I'm watching for both scenarios. This is not a bearish scenario I want to watch. If you want to if price could continue down, you want to see price making an instant movement, like an instant drop from the zone. That didn't really happen. We are still stuck in this range. We are basically just creating liquidity which can be taken out. So for now, I am watching a little bit of an upside. I'm watching these highs to be broken and to see whatever is going to happen there. Like we are still stuck around the old all-time highs. We had a small drop down. And for now, yeah, I'm just watching that. So anything could happen from here. And especially if this one is removed, we can see some more bullish pressure. And that's basically it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.